These are the Hepco Becker engine guards for the BMW R1300 models. You can find these bars at accessoryinternational.com. This is a Hepco Becker engine guard for the BMW R1300GS from 2023 and up. This engine guard is made in Germany and is available with 2 premium surface finishes, either black or silver. The kit will include everything needed for a direct bolt-on installation, including the right side engine guard, the left side engine guard, a full mounting kit, and installation instructions. The Hepco Becker engine guards are designed to follow the lines of your bike to give your motorcycle a more customized and custom fit appearance rather than a universal fit, to ensure that your R1300 will be looking in top shape. The bars are designed to protect the motorcycle if it ever falls over or makes unintentional contact with the ground, and it can protect not only the motorcycle itself but also the rider from damage. Make sure to order your Hepco Becker engine guard from accessoryinternational.com. Thanks for watching our video today. My name is Alex at Accessories International out of Miami, Florida. Give us a call for any questions, and thanks for tuning in.